I'm not gonna lie to you, if it feels like the YouTube algorithm isn't pushing out your content like they should be right now, it could be because the YouTube algorithm is working against you instead of working for you and pushing out your videos. But don't worry. All you have to do is make sure that you stop making the 5 mistakes I'm gonna share with you in this video, and boom, it's going to skyrocket your reach the same way I just helped this channel get over 75,000 subscribers and this channel over 50,000 subscribers, because the same exact thing could happen to you so long as the YouTube algorithm loves your channel and starts pushing it out. Mistake number 1 is that right now you're ignoring the retention signals that YouTube is giving you on your content. And this is going to be different whether you're uploading shorts content or if you're uploading long form content. If you're uploading shorts content and the video is less than 30 seconds, you need to make sure that your average view duration is over 100%. If your video is over 31 seconds, you need to make sure that your average view duration is over 80%. But if you upload long form content, this is going to be completely different. So if you upload a long form video, this is the retention that you need. It is going to change based on how long your video is. So if your video is 30 minutes, ideally you need to be over 50%. If it's 15 minutes, ideally over 54%. If it's 10 minutes, ideally over 60%, 6 minutes, 71%, and 3 minutes, 82%. Because if you're not able to hit those metrics, YouTube isn't going to push out your content. Now, the way that you actually utilize this data is going to be pretty simple. All you want to do is you want to come into the content that you are creating on YouTube and you want to study your average view duration after about 72 hours. So all you do is come into your analytics, you're going to scroll down here, and then you'll be able to see the average percentage viewed, how many views the video ends up getting. So as you can see here, I have a pretty flat graph here, but there's a lot of dip in the beginning. So what I'd want to do is I want to come in here and I want to study what did I do right here that caused almost 10% of people to drop off, because clearly people didn't like that. And what I want to do is make a note of that, put it in my notebook, and make sure that I never do that again in another video. And again, we could come through and do this for several videos. Like this video right here, if we come over here and scroll down, we're going to see that again, this video is pretty flat, but if I look here, I see that this was low and then it went high, which means that people either skipped over that or they were re-watching this, so I would want to come over here and see exactly what was happening. In addition to that, you want to make sure that in the first 30 seconds of your video, you have at least 70% of people still watching, because if not, it's going to be really difficult for you to be able to hit the average view duration that you actually need. Mistake number 2 is that you're not delivering on the promise of the video immediately in the video. For example, if you were making a video about how to get bigger biceps, you better have big biceps. If you were making a video about how to make money with affiliate marketing, you better be showing off affiliate marketing results immediately. If you were making a video about a red Ferrari, there better be a red Ferrari in the second that that viewer opens up the video, because otherwise, all you're doing is giving people a reason to not trust you, to not watch the video, and then they are going to swipe away, they're going to leave, they're not going to come back, and more importantly, they're not going to click on the next YouTube video that you make. And all you had to do in order to resolve that was get rid of any objections that they have immediately in the video. Let me show you an example of what this actually looks like on a video that went viral versus a video that didn't go viral. The example that I have here, this video was uploaded 6 months ago and only got 4,000 views, and it's about the best fluke fishing rigs. Now, if we come over to this video right here, this video is about the same exact thing, but it got over 280,000 views, and there is a reason for this. 2 seconds into this video, he is already showing off the rig that the video is about. Now, if we come over to this video, guess what? We're gonna play it a little bit, and we will see that we're a few seconds in, we're 4 seconds in, and guess what? Still nothing. He still has not shown the thing that the actual video is about. And that is why viewers stay on this video, they keep watching this video, they share this video, they like this video, they comment on this video, because he actually delivers on what the viewer wanted immediately. And that's why people trust him more, as opposed to this video that didn't get that many views. Now, mistake number 3 is that you're still ignoring YouTube Shorts and you're making the YouTube algorithm work against itself. If you're uploading long form content or uploading lives right now, you need to make sure that you're also uploading shorts that complement that, because you need to make sure that you're uploading shorts that are going to be promoting that long form video or that live. Because let's face it, if you really want to make money from YouTube or you want to get more subscribers from YouTube, you need to make sure that your long form content gets views. But the easiest way to guarantee that is to upload 2 to 3 viral shorts on the same topic as your long form video or your live that promote your long form video or your live. Now, the only issue with this is that 1, it takes a really long time to actually go through your long form content in order to actually create those shorts. Or two, if you have an hour long form video or a 10-minute long form video or a 3-hour live, you don't actually know what parts you should take out and clip them in order for it to go viral. But lucky for you, there's a new tool that actually solves all of this for you. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest that you use Nexus Clips in order to do this for you, because their AI is going to find the perfect video clip for you, it's going to edit it for you, and it's even going to add subtitles. So all you have to do is upload the long form video and boom, you're going to get viral shorts ideas straight from that are ready to publish. Here's how it actually works. You literally just log into Nexus Clips, sync up your YouTube channel, and now you're going to be able to edit specific clips that you want to grab, or click on create clip right here. It's going to bring up all of your past content. Like this video I uploaded 5 days ago. I'm going to click generate moments and then click got it, and boom, this is going to go through, analyze my content, and actually get those clips for me. In addition to that though, I can highlight the top things that I actually want to do. For example, moments that demonstrate effective use of task scheduling or anything I put in here. So I'm going to click this right here, click generate new moments. I'm going to skip this step and boom, this is going to go through and actually generate those for me. So now Nexus Clip has literally gone through, made all these clips, and it gives you a score of how likely this is to potentially go viral. Now, if I click on this right here, all I have to do now is click create clip up here. I could go ahead and I can adjust the length. For example, I want this to be 17 seconds. Then I click into edit up here, which will bring me in here where I can now affect the hook. I can put different stickers on here. I can add subtitles. I could change the framing, and then boom, export this video. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and register for Nexus Clips today. This is an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you increase your views, increase your subscribers without you doing extra work, because their AI features are amazing. Now, mistake number 4 is not understanding the velocity rule on YouTube. What this means is that the performance that you get in the first 24 hours of your post could impact the short-term performance of that post. AKA, you need to make sure that your subscribers are watching your content, you're getting likes on your content, you're getting as many comments on your content as possible, and that as many people as possible are choosing to view your video. Because if that's not happening, well, guess what? Your video isn't going to get pushed out. And there are 2 things that you could be messing up with this. First, you could be posting at the wrong time. Ideally right now, you should be posting at 11 a.m., 7 p.m., or when your ideal audience is online. And I'm going to share with you exactly how to figure that out in just 1 second. But in addition to that, you also need to make sure that the content that you're uploading is what your ideal subscriber actually wants to view. And I'm also going to show you how to change that if it's not the case. Now, in order for you to see when your ideal viewer is actually online, what you're going to want to do is you want to come into your analytics, you want to come into audience right here, you want to scroll down a little bit, and then this is going to show you when your viewers are actually online. You want to make sure that you're uploading when it says that most of your viewers are on YouTube. That is going to be the best time for you to post. You should not post when few of your viewers are on YouTube. You shouldn't post when some of your videos are on YouTube. You should only ideally be posting when most of your viewers are on YouTube, because that is going to maximize your reach. In addition to that, if you notice that your subscribers are not watching your videos, well then what you need to do is try uploading your content to non-subscribers. The way that you're going to do this is you're going to go through during the upload process, you're going to go right below your tags right here, and you are going to see this right here that says publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. If your subscribers aren't choosing to watch your content, then your subscribers are actually hurting you instead of helping you. And the easiest way for you to fix this is to literally just uncheck this. Now, this video is already live, it's already published, so I can't uncheck this, but if the video wasn't published yet, I would be able to uncheck this. And you need to make sure you are testing this to make sure that YouTube is actually showing your content to the right people. Now, the final mistake that you could be making is that you're making content that competes with what already exists on YouTube instead of complementing what already exists on YouTube. Now, yes, you should be looking at other YouTube videos to see what titles and topics are attractive to people and that your ideal viewer is actually watching. But the information in your video needs to be different than what already exists on YouTube. Otherwise, you're just copying what already exists, you're not actually adding to anything, and you're not making content that actually complements what is already out there. And there are 2 ways for you to do this. The first way is incredibly manual. You need to search for whatever topic you're going to be posting about, and then you need to go through, look at all the videos that already exist, and take notes of what already exists in them. Or you could use this hack with AI. So here's how you're actually going to do that. You're going to pull up Gemini, you're going to come over here, and you are going to turn on 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental with Apps. Now this is going to be able to access YouTube, Maps, and Search. Now what you're going to do is come over here and say, please find me a YouTube video around this title. And what I'm going to do is put in the title of the video that I am currently making. Now what this is going to do is this is going to come over to YouTube, and this is going to do a search for this, and this is going to show me all of the similar videos. And now what I want to do is I want to go through and ask this, what are they saying in their videos? Give me the 5 to 10 tips that keep coming up over and over again. And what this is going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to summarize all of the content. It's going to look at the transcripts, it's going to summarize it, and it is going to tell me exactly what these videos keep saying over and over again. And now guess what? I am not going to mention any of these things in my content unless I can add to what already exists as opposed to competing with what already exists. And that's how I actually came up with all the tips for this video. Now, if you're still struggling to grow on YouTube and finally get monetized in 2025, I want to personally help you. In fact, I want to work with you one-on-one to guarantee I can help you grow quicker on YouTube so you finally have the followers in order to monetize your channel or make more money from your channel. If that sounds interesting, well, please keep watching this video. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.